Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about containers. We have containers for sale from Crypto LLC. These are 40 foot, 20 foot and 53 foot containers, all available for sale. In today's video I'm going to be walking around the containers as they're being built, showing you guys the cabinet, showing you guys the container with the racks, showing you what it's made of and all of that good stuff. So if you think that's interesting, you know what to do. Hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and go to cryptollc.org. If you're looking to get yourself some miners, get yourself some containers, something new we're offering here at Crypto LLC. Or if you want to buy or sell miners, you want some consultation work done for you for a farm maybe you're interested in purchasing or building, or if you want to jump in with us in North Dakota and get yourself half a megawatt or a megawatt, all of that is available at cryptollc.org. And before we get started, Bitcoin saves your wealth and Jesus Christ saves your soul. All right, let's go. So again, talking about 20, 40, and 53 foot containers. So these containers are all made in the United States. They all have UL listed parts, which means that you can deploy them in basically any state in the United States. You should be able to pass all your electrical inspections. They all have either one or two cabinets. The models we are selling now are at the just one cabinet, which means that the whole entire megawatt is being loaded from that one cabinet. They have one main breaker, three breakers per leg. These are separate ones off of that one main breaker, and that gives you 1 megawatt of power. And you can see later on in the video I'll be showing you guys how you're connecting your PDUs to those breakers. These containers come with a 125 amp PDUs, so you're gonna have 125 amps, 12 miners per PDU. Now again, you can customize this as we go. This is kind of standard build out for these containers, but if you want to get something different, we can do that. Maybe you want to get less amps per PDU or more amps per PDU if you want to do some overclocking or things like that, so we can change things up. Also, these containers can have no fans, or they can come with fans. We promote the idea of having no fans on the exhaust, as the miners themselves blow out the hot air. But if you still want fans for whatever reason, we can get those for you, get those installed for you. So either way works with us. So here we go. These containers are being built out for North Dakota. You can see they are going to be custom built. It's a 40-foot container. And we have a couple of these and a couple of 53-foot containers being built out for North Dakota. Also showing you guys around the cabinet, the steel, and everything else that we are working on here at this facility. And here's the 1 megawatt cabinet. Comes with a meter, on, off, opening, closing, all of your connectors here, such as your fans. There's a couple of fans inside. Your metering system to actually measure and meter the usage. And you have additional breakers here. It's a 3-phase breaker. You can see A, B, C, A, B, C, and 3 of those 3-phase breakers. And again, this is a 1 megawatt setup here. So these 3 breakers then go into one giant breaker, and here is where you actually connect your PDUs. So we're running 125 amp PDUs, and they're going to be connecting to ABC. So you can see that right there, ABC, ABC, ABC. And so we're going to have our 125 amp breakers being connected directly to these guys over here. There's the fans on the inside. And here's some schematics here for power. Then go on this side over here. This is where you can see the metering system. This is a metering system right here. It wraps around the leg and it measures how much load is on that leg to give you a meter reading. And again, more connectors. You can connect from the opposite side as well. And again, your fans, and so on. And that's how it works. Now, in terms of where we're going to be placing this, I'll show you guys here in a little bit. You have your 3 breakers right there. So that's how you can turn those breakers off. Now in terms of placement, I'm going to place the cabinets right over here. So cabinet will be right here, and it's not that tall, but we're gonna probably put some of our networking on top of the cabinet just for the amount of space we have. But the cabinet will be right here, and then from that cabinet, from the top, and we're gonna be pulling the conduit, pulling the aluminum through the top and then down the sides here, and then we're going to have our PDUs right here plopped onto this, and then that PDU will actually feed the miners. Now I'm going to show you guys the PDU. Let's go out here. So this is the PDU we're going to be using. This is a 125 amp PDU power distribution unit. Here's the specs on it. You see output 380 to 480, 3-phase, 20 amps each for all of these ports. It's a nice quality PDU, and you can see the type of connector that is on these PDUs, right? You have your ABC and you have your neutral and ground. So you have all of those connectors there. ABC, neutral, ground. ABC, neutral, ground. It's a solid PDU there. And that should give us a lot of power here. And we can run 12 miners. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 miners are then run right on this PDU in full blast. And it comes with its own breaker here. You can break all 3 phases at once. Now let's talk about the process of purchasing these containers. So first thing you would do is go to the description of this video and you go to Telegram and you talk to our sales team there. Sales team will then provide you full information such as lead times, which is usually around 2 months lead time depending on how many containers you want. You're looking to get 1 or you're looking to get 5, 10, 20. Obviously the lead time will increase and you can't really deliver them all at once. They have to come kind of like staggered. Basically you'll be getting a certain amount of containers at a certain time. But if you're just looking to get 1, you can jump into the queue, get yourself signed up for that, and then that container will start being built out for you. Usually we do about 50% down, 50% time before shipment. So that's usually the procedure we have. But then again, we can do a custom order for you, especially if you're getting something like 10 containers, 5, 10, 20 containers, and so on. In terms of customization, you can customize these how you like. So if you want to get more powerful PDUs or less powerful PDUs for whatever reason, if you wanted to have it custom built for a certain type of miner, so let's say you are never planning to run a certain miner, like let's say you never plan to mine any on any Bitmain miners, and you're only going to do WhatsMiner, so you can change the customization for your build out to only be made for WhatsMiner. By the way, you can fit more miners that way, or if you want to go with some other type of miner, basically we can customize it to fit whatever you're looking for. And then in terms of cabinets, you can also customize that if you're looking to maybe have 2 cabinets. If you want to go even more powerful, instead of 1 megawatt, you want to do like 1.5 megawatts. All of those things can be customized. So it's not just a one size fits all. You don't just get 1 megawatt and that's it. And there's no way to either increase that or even possibly decrease that. There's also that possibility. And maybe you're looking to get a 20-foot container and you want to run them in low power mode always, and so you want to customize a cabinet to be even less than half a megawatt, things like that. Really unforeseeable from our side. It's basically standard for most clients. They usually just go off of 1 megawatt, or maybe sometimes half a megawatt, but we can customize it for you. Maybe you have a 750 kW transformer and you want to use that whole transformer, so you don't need a megawatt and you don't need half a megawatt. So all of that is customizable and we can do all of that for you. So check out our site, cryptollc.org, but the best way to communicate with us is directly in Telegram in the description of this video. And that's going to be it for this one. Hope you guys like it. Till next time, goodbye.